Hi, welcome to GIS Insight on Airlight Geospatial. Today I'm going to be showing how to simulate layer transparency with the legend. Now, assuming you have this map of Kaduna State with all its local government, and we insert legend, we'll just go on your layer, we'll just insert legend, and then we'll go to like maybe let's put it to 4 or 5, anyone. Alright, so you have this and it has been inserted right here, right? Now, while you made all of this, you realize that the whole color is too sharp in the eye. You've already inserted legend, you've done everything, and you feel like, okay, there's need for me to make some adjustments. So you come over to transparency, right click on the Kaduna map layer, then you go to properties. Then on the display, let's say you make it 50%, or let's just make it 30%, right? And then you click on OK. Now you see that the 30%, or let's make it 50 to 60 to illustrate what we're trying to do, then we will return it back. So we apply it. You can see how the map is transparent, like to that degree, but nothing has happened to the legend. Let's okay this. Now the legend has not changed. They have those same colors. So what we want to do is that we want to simulate the two of them, so that whatever happens here, because ideally if you create legend, whatever change or anything you make on the map, change on the legend. But it's not the case right now. So what we need to do is we need to simulate the two of them so that they go together. What you need to do to activate that simulating is to go on the layer, that's the data frame of that map, which is this one that is naming layer here. You right click on it, you go to properties, then on properties you go to general, then you come down, you will see simulate layer transparency in legend. So once you allow this to happen, you will see that it automatically does that. So this is how you simulate layers, the transparent layers with the legend. So thank you for coming. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and refer your friends. I'll see you in the next one.